Yo! What's up sa inyo mga lagad? Maligayang Pasko bawat isa sa inyo. At binabati ko pala ang malaking shoutout kay AD3 Lakers King na gawa niya ang PBA 2K sa NBA 2K25. Malaking shoutout sa iyo. At dispiras na ng Pasko. Ang laban na yon ay Magnolia Templados versus Barangay Ginebra Manila Clasico. At tara, simulan na natin ang laban. Game. Oh, yes.
Hi everyone, time to get into it. NBA action on 2K Sports. I'm Kevin Harlan alongside Greg Anthony and Coach Stan Van Gundy. And joining us from the sidelines is David Aldridge. We've got the visiting team facing the home team. Now the starting group for the visitors. There's the pick. That one's in, his first shot this game.
And the fireworks begin. Should be an amazing show tonight.
Yeah, and it's important to get that first score quickly and establish your game.
Takes it off the glass.
Ayan na.
And about a minute gone here in the first quarter.
Play tayo, play.
Shot clock at 5.
Huli.
Comes out of the gate empty. He's 0 for 1.
Bagsak si Justin Brownlee.
Lee outside.
Ang galing.
He's on the layup.
And once he got to the 10,
Mukhang kamukha no?
to find himself that wide open.
Once he gets in deep on the defense, there is no way he's missing a layup like that.
Brownlee.
Side step.
The layup off target.
Sayang.
The defense ready for him on that possession. They had to be because he is so strong in the paint.
Lee outside. Puts it up. Misses that one.
Nice. Rebound. Drop it.
This game so far. We're just about 2 minutes into the first quarter. He lobs up the alley-oop pass.
Sayang.
It's 3-on-3 on the fast break. Nice
Oh!
ding dunk.
Playing with high energy, outworking the defense.
Nangasan ako ah.
Yeah, the commitment to run
Bawi tayo, bawi.
is paying great dividends on the break.
Brownlee.
Walang foul?
Here's Rosario.
Nice. Nice. Fake.
And Greg, it's not everybody in
Pero di naman dumadakdak yan ng harap-harapan eh.
lines of play.
Well, he gets paid to be a factor on the glass. That's a nice dunk to finish it off.
To the paint.
Ay, galing.
Terrific assist. A nice finish. Solid play.
Time out tayo. Ganda ng depensa nila.
Really solid right off the bat.
And for a look at how the competition stacks up right now, here's the latest edition of the Power Rankings. They tell a great story. Taking a look here at the visitors, they lose the top spot, taking a step back now to number 2.
Well, right now for this home ball club, they've started the way we expected. Aggressive, relentless, just imposing their will upon lesser teams.
Counted.
Gets hacked on the play.
Baka japit yan.
Ability if he can convert the free throw.
Ito nagpaliwanag.
Job there of taking the harm.
Yun no, Aguilar. Mga galawan ko yung dati. Nice.
He's covered by Thompson.
Oy,
Foul as the whistle
Foul?
blows. He'll shoot 2 free throws.
May foul.
And he knocks down the first one.
Hindi ko na-edit yung oras.
So he gets them both. I'm sure they don't want to send him to the line. That has to be in their scouting. Brownlee driving in.
Miss.
Second chance shot out to the right wing. Launches a three. The offensive rebound. Here's Rosario.
Ooh! Trey Rosario, ang gwapo dito ah.
And you know, Greg, that'll put him in the good graces of that coaching staff too. My goodness. To the middle.
Oy, binitbitan.
That's good. Lee's got his second bucket of the game to go.
Binitbitan ako.
You want to get him rolling as early as possible.
Screen.
Tell you what, if he gets into a good rhythm early, watch out. Now here's Thompson. He has yet to score. Brownlee.
Nice cut.
The glass.
Mga play.
On a lot of their possessions this first half,
Depensa. Lalamang tayo.
inside position.
Lalamangan natin sila. Pasok yung si Ribis. Pinakamatanda sa PBA. Oh, charging foul. Nice. Lalamang. 4-3! Bang! Inulit ko, malaking shoutout kay AD3, Lakers King, dahil sa paggawa ng mod na to sa PS5, 2K25.
He's covered by Thompson. Just 5 on the clock.
Oh, 3 seconds oh. Hindi na tawagan. Ah, ang galing. Lamang sila ulit.
Perimeter-oriented plays that are working.
Well, you know it's become a three-point shooting league. Teams shooting a steady diet from outside. To the wing right side. Here's Aguilar.
Aguilar. Japet Aguilar.
See if they can finally hold on to a lead. It's been back and forth all night.
Well, this is why the fans are here.
Si Japet Aguilar, kamukha ni Lively. Thompson, no?
Entertainment.
Dance ka. Saka na muna yan. Baka maka-copyright tayo. Oh! Foul?
Back down the shot, so he'll be shooting free throws here.
May foul? Ah, si Abueva. Kasok na si Abueva.
And he makes the first.
Well, malapit naman na kay Abueva. Konti pa. Konting improve pa. Abueva na.
Good on both. And here's Thompson. Still yet to score. Lets a floater go.
Oh, binalik si Amnesty ulit.
Three-pointer.
Thompson! Ayang.
No good. Lee with the ball.
Binabati ko nga pala lahat, bawat Pilipino na manonood ng Manila Classico sa Pasko. ito mangyayari sa laban. Kaya panoorin nyo. Yan.
And what should have been a simple pass and finish ends up in a missed opportunity on that alley-oop attempt.
Yeah, that just comes down to the timing being off between those two guys. Brownlee.
Oy, binato.
There's Rosario.
Bang! Troy Rosario yan.
7 points in the game. 6 changes of the lead here.
Yeah, both teams still kind of feeling their way through this game.
Back to Lee.
Mabueba. May Brownlee. Hindi ka obro sa akin.
Lets the 3
Oy, humingi ng screen.
no good that time.
Nice.
Lee's gone 2 for 5 tonight. To the inside.
Ay, sayang.
Pick off the pass.
Sa tinapik sa binti. Kaya hindi nakapag-alley-hoop. Huli.
Tries again.
Huli! Wala. Nice. Pass break mga alagad.
Takes it inside.
Nice.
Assisted buckets. Every team wants them.
Namang na ako.
You're running effective team
Ang apat.
on the top of the key. Yep, that one.
Nice.
I'll tell you what, I'm not sure.
Dalawa lang. Kala ko mag-tres na eh.
Well, you expect there to be peaks and valleys, but you've got some excellent scores on both sides.
Brownlee, pahinga ka muna. Pasok si Holt.
Charity strikes
Step back. Wala. Sayang.
for him. He's made 2 of his 8 attempts.
No doubt it's been a bit of a struggle for him here in this quarter in terms of scoring.
Wasted no time on that shot, but it's off the mark.
They've been beating them to a lot of those loose balls and rebounds here to start.
Brownlee
Nice screen.
trains the
Nice screen.
8 points for him.
Those are starting to add up, guys. Of their last 5 baskets, 3 have been triple.
Here's the screen. Also
Oy.
time, and he sinks that one, hitting the
Lapot
basket
nun ah.
on the way in.
Kamukha ni T-Mac. Oy, sumaba.
With the pump fake, but couldn't
Hindi sumabit. Sayang. Uli.
outside.
Nasa Baroka. Gusto mo makita ni Baroka eh.
Out to the right wing.
Ayun.
The shot clock.
Uli ka.
No good.
Hirang takot.
Covered by Lee.
Pesto, pesto, pesto.
To the left side.
Ayun oh. Libre oh. Libre!
On the 3 ball.
Ah,
And they're getting their points now almost exclusively from the triple.
nice play.
Their last 5 makes are from beyond the arc.
Now here's Lee. No one near him. That doesn't
Nice. Rebound.
You can hear him sputtering all the way over here. He knows he should have knocked
Play tayo, play. Play.
Always going up for the alley.
Sayang.
Ball stolen. There's the 3.
Oy, tres.
That's a miss. His
Nice.
for 2 shots.
A team's rebounding is a great measure of its energy, and theirs has been terrific here in the first quarter.
Libre ulit. Nice.
As it just snuck
Kakawala ka pa eh.
through the net. Yeah, so skilled offensively. Getting the ball in his hands is generally a good idea. Inside.
Oy, libre siya.
Look.
Huli ka.
Count that one. Well, he led him with the pass.
Baroka parang ipis.
Almost like the quarterback timing a route. That was impressive.
Ooh! Sa ilalim, nag-tomahawk pa. Sa ilalim na ng ring, oh. Nag-tomahawk pa. Tapa.
This team is in charge of this game.
Well, there's a swagger out there. You can see it on the court that they possess and are not afraid to show it either. And he uses the glass on the layup.
And they've repeatedly
Ayos yun, ah.
in the first
Pinadali ako, ah.
and it's paid off.
Time out ka muna. Time out, time out. Ang laban na ito ay NBA 2K25 version PBA 2K. Updated to by AD3 Lakers King. Ayun o. Ayun o. Ayang.
Free throws coming up. Officials on the call with the foul.
Ba't ganun yung pasa?
And this is his second trip to the line tonight.
Dapat bounce eh. Oh, second foul ka na. Ingat-ingat ka na. First quarter pa lang.
First one drops. Both shots good from the stripe. 30 seconds left to play in the first quarter. Down low.
Ay, ang galing.
He lays it straight
Ang
in.
ganda ng cut nun. Ngayon nung tao yon.
Ball inside,
Hindi nyo binabantayan.
taking full advantage.
To the right side. Pass to Gray. Got it off in time.
Counted. Counted. Buzzer beater yon. Replay, replay, replay. Nice, Malonzo. Nice one. Tabahan ni Pauli, oh.
Free flowing.
Abueva, ang payat.
Great scoring through one. They lead by 8. And back in a moment as we'll get underway with. And for those of you just tuning in, the second quarter of action is where we're at right now. Guys, what's your
Yung starting five.
so far?
I mean, the rebounding was the difference.
Pasok second unit.
You've got to block these guys out.
Hey, look, it's
Maya na, maya na.
more rebounds means more possessions, and that's clearly been their priority. Roundley,
Fade away.
he can extend the lead to double digits. Well, that one should be in his wheelhouse, but just off the mark. Takes a step back
Huli ka.
to the middle.
Ay! Ang galing naman nun.
Better the pass, the catch.
Nice cutting.
There's no wrong answer. Sensational alley-oop. There's a screen. Lock at 6.
Oh, binali. Wala.
Doesn't register as a block, but he did everything you want defending that shot.
Well, you know, sometimes the most pivotal plays don't always go on the stat.
Pinasok si Go.
Goes up the baseline. That's good on the jump shot.
Galing naman nun.
That's a high percentage look when the D doesn't fight over the screen.
Yeah, it's certainly
Adamos.
disrupt the
Pasok natin si Adamos.
notice that extra effort. Just about a minute and a half has gone by here in the second. Three-pointer,
Sayang, libre pala. Hindi ko natira.
0 of 1 to begin the game.
Hintay ko pa yung kalaban.
The shot. Nailed.
Oy, nadalawahan. Time out muna.
Got 6. Well, you love the unselfishness. Makes the next pass.
Sino yun?
Enables his team to capitalize.
Nakakadalawahan yun ah. Nakakadalawa na sa akin yun ah. Yan oh. Ah, si Baroka. Ang pogi ni Baroka dyan ah. In-improve na Baroka.
And we're a little over a minute and a half into the second quarter of action.
Oh! Walang buwelo yun. Walang buwelo yun oh. Parang si Clarkson ah.
One-hand stuff to get the 2 points. It's a close game here in Philadelphia.
Huli ka.
And they're moving it up.
Ay sayang.
Out left to the wing. Good.
Nakaisa.
Now makes sense to get him the ball.
Ba Brownlee yan.
Yeah, when you have a guy playing like he has been recently, he's got to be the first option on every possession.
Oops. Oh, uli ka. Nailang kay Brownlee. Nice Brownlee.
Advantage for them in the rebound department, but that oftentimes
Adamos. Ay hindi. Bobo pala sa tres yun.
and the great shooters know when they've got enough opening to go for the three. I didn't think it was a bad choice.
Ay. Pinabayaan mo Holty. Hindi ka nagkusa lumapit.
And for those of you just joining us, we're in the second quarter with about 3 minutes gone
Op. Sayang.
on Friday and then on Sunday.
November 8. Tropang Giga. Laban sa Ginebra. Starting 5. Pasok. Ah, kamatch na ito ni Baroka sa Tenorio eh. Ah.
From outside the arc, they grab their own miss. Here's De La Rosa.
De La Rosa. Social ito. De La Rosa.
And a little under 3.5 minutes elapsed in the second quarter of play.
Oy, binigay.
No good on that one.
And typically he has the touch to finish when he's in.
Nice.
Not sure on that possession.
Nice, hindi na back. Court.
They set the pick. He lobs it up.
Ay, ang tanga.
Anticipated the pass. Turnover. Plenty of space. That's tipped.
Oh, akin. Ang galing. Tenorio. Ikaw ang lason kay Baroka. Kasing edad mo yan eh.
Brownlee.
Galing! Ang galing naman nun. Galawang Brownlee talaga.
For 15.
Well, we've seen that movie a few times, haven't we? An easy bucket in the paint.
Yes. Ng mga kulit, ng anim. Habol kayo. Mga manok.
Coach, you want to cover just 1 or 2 major points. That way guys can absorb it and go out and execute.
Number 5. Parang sa 2K14 yun ah. Ay, libre.
Plays it up and banks it in.
Moving it around, 8 of their last 10.
Yan, sa lansang.
Fires from deep. It's
Nice.
he's got 19. That's his 3rd triple of the night, forcing the defense to extend out.
May 2 digits natin lamang natin. Ah, talang.
And stolen.
Nice.
And here's the break. Stolen.
Yung bobo mo. Ang galang. Oop.
3-pointer.
Ah,
Number 5 on a 5 for 8 night.
swerte ni Baroka. Tenorio, it's your turn to shine. Ferrario, Tenorio. Tenorio!
With a
Tenorio! Batang-bata si Tenorio ah. Walang mga wrinkles ah.
Well, you know, it's become a three-point shooting.
Walang wrinkles ano ah.
Teams shooting a steady diet from outside. Shot on the wing.
Baro ka na naman.
13 points in the game.
Wow! Ganda naman yan. Euro step na yon.
He's having quite the quarter, converting at a really high percentage.
Ang ganda naman nun.
Lets it go from deep. Drills it from
Ah! Baro ka.
gave that away. He's a skilled
Pampalasang ka.
contest that
Yari ka sa akin. Yun mo. One-on-one ko to.
right wing.
Ako na.
Clock at 4.
Ay, binato.
From short.
Sayang.
And they are
Kasi na, Tenorio ah. May dad ka na talaga.
in this one.
Oy!
Chemistry is evident. These guys
Ayos yun ah. Lumilitaw ka bigla ah.
Well, he can play the 4 because he gets off the ground so well.
Floater! Ay, hindi pumasok. Huli ka.
Shoots the
Oy! Naiiwan.
he can't hit
Nice. Eh, nahuli.
pick off in midair. Driving the lane. And he
Panis si Aguilar.
gotta take care of the ball. They'll punish you if you're that careless.
That's right, and that's severe punishment right there. Well, as a coach, turnovers will drive you nuts, but sometimes that happens when you're aggressive.
Yun! Nahanap ko. Ayun ang play ng Inebra. Pick and roll.
His leaping ability can certainly mask that.
Oh, timeout siya. Ah, nakatabla na pala sila. Magaling, magaling, magaling. Umaya ka na, Missy. Si Tenorio muna. Gusto na nga lang makapasok eh.
He's covered by Thompson.
Top.
Front pass.
Oh, naiwan. Nice. Wala. Oop. 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 Galing, DeRozan move yun ah. Sayang.
From three-point range. He's covered by Thompson.
Oy, sayang. Sayang.
There's a nice one.
Nakawala.
Fundamentals, guys, using the one-hand slam.
Pasok nyo sa Bueva.
Pretty exceptional.
Tawagin nyo lahat ng mga ano nyo.
Teardrop shot.
Oy, may foul. May foul pa.
First trip to the line.
Ayos ah. Parang una ko pa lang tong free throw ah.
That free throw good from Thompson. He doesn't get the second one.
Nice.
Aguilar
Nice
passes to Thompson.
offensive rebound.
Here's Holt.
Oh, Ogan.
The assist from Thompson.
Yan ang silent sniper ng barangay. Kaya wag nyong Kaya wag nyong binabaliwala yan. Huli ka. Sige, pasok. Pasok ka, beba.
5 on the clock.
Huli. Huli ka.
And foul on the shot.
Nako,
So,
Thompson.
it's at the line.
Dalawa muna, Thompson. Ingat, ingat, Thompson. Wag ka muna ah. 2 minutes na lang naman eh. Uy, pasok. Ang bagal. Pagalitan ka ni Team Con dyan.
And good on the second.
Center natin si Brownlee. Triangle defense tayo.
Six to shoot. Count it.
Nice.
He has 5.
Hindi naman triangle defense yun eh.
Analytics, but I still like the
Zigzag defense yun eh.
especially when
Ay, zigzag offense.
and it's Lee penetrating.
Habulin kita.
He gets it to go.
Ayan.
And there's a pattern starting to take shape here. They're working it inside and getting good shots from close range.
To the left wing. Here's Aguilar.
Ooh! Gumagano'n ba si Aguilar?
That is incredible.
Ha? Parang di naman.
Finish it on the beauty.
Kabata, yung nasa token text pa siya. Gumagano'n siya. Parang di nakapaniwala ah. Pero okay na rin.
142
Huli ka.
left to play in the first half.
Huli ka.
Fires the three.
Nako si Holt wala.
And one
Huli ka. Panis.
to the air. Credit the block. And he lobs it up toward the rim.
Nice.
He's on. Got to bottom him up.
Dapat dinakdak mo eh.
They can't let him even get into
Tinapik mo lang.
If he gets
Yun.
in position on the block, it's trouble.
Kung kailan ka papalitan, saka ka nagnana eh.
121 left in the first.
Huli ka ulit.
Doesn't go for it. Executing to perfection right now offensively.
I mean, in total sync. Good luck trying to stop him now.
Pinasa eh.
Jacks up a three. That one doesn't drop.
Dapat kay Malonzo yun eh. Ano pinasa kay Barrientos? Uy, foul.
Left in the first half.
Substitution on the court.
52 seconds left in the first half. There's a good screen. Fires top of the key. No good. That's miss number 2. He's 1 for 3.
At the half, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano to. Kaya stay tuned lang kayo. Paano ang senaryo na to.
Down to 5 on the
Saan si, ano?
elbow shot is on the way.
Wala.
That one.
Mag-interest ka tayo, Norio eh. Ba't doon ka pumesto?
To the paint.
Sige.
Misses in close. Here's the 3.
Sayang.
Out, and we're heading to halftime. Up by 6. Time now for the halftime break. With the third quarter soon to
Game halftime.
here on 2K Sports.
Pag sa main page, nasa main page ka. Punta ka sa 2K share. Tapos pagdating sa 2K share, search mo ID, tapos type mo ang AD3 Lakers King. Yung Lakers King, Lakerz Z. Ganon.
Thanks for being with us. And teams play an average of what? 3 games in a week?
Tapos search mo lang, tapos
Games in a row.
nandun na yung mga ano,
Need.
yung gawa ni AD3 Lakers King. Search mo, hanapin mo lang yung PBA Commissioner's Cup. Nakasulat doon, PH Commissioner's Cup.
Yes.
Yun.
Congratulations.
Kaya, kayo na bahala maglaro.
Going back to the
Enjoy
first
to.
outings of
Mga ganyang galawan, no?
and for the
Ooh! Iba feeling. Kasi ano na yung puro NBA eh. That PBA muna tayo.
volume from out there, but
Ligang
efficiency, that's been
ligang sa atin muna. Hindi siya magkakama pero pwede na.
Thank you for
May
being
pagkahawig naman pero
presented to Kevin Harlan.
may improve pa naman yan sa susunod na mga buwan. Kaya tis-tis lang. Basta ako, enjoy naman ako dito. At ini-enjoy ko siya. At masaya ako. At malaking shoutout talaga. Masaya ako kasi kung gusto ko talaga laruin ng PBA, ano nagawa ng Pinoy. Dati kasi sa computer nandun pa sila Mark Aguiwa. Pero nagkausap kami ng gumagawa nito. Gumagawa daw siya mga Tanduay, saka mga 2000 era. Hintay-hintay lang tayo. Busy pa kasi siya Kaya malaking shoutout sa'yo, kaibigan. Back to the ball game. Nice Euro step. Kay Brownlee.
From the paint, this defense needs to clog those lanes in the middle.
At kung naguluhan kayo sa paliwanag ko, comment nyo lang sa baba.
If the defense is giving that up, you
At iisa-isay natin yan. Para makalaro kayo na ito.
the pick. Here's Aguilar.
Yung sidestep, Aguilar. Excuse me po.
He's covered by Thompson. To the inside.
Uy, nakatalikod ka.
In with a nice touch off the glass.
Rosario, hindi ka nag-aalaga
At the rim, that's how you want to start.
Ano na lang
Yeah, I like how they're establishing their interior presence right away. That's going to collapse the defense and create other opportunities.
Nice pass. Ay, sayang. Ang baba ng talon dito ni Thompson
Lee bounce pass.
Yan, ayan gusto ko. Abueva. Sige. Sige. Ay, pagitgitan talaga si Abueva Galawang Abueva talaga Huli ka. Nice. Reverse. Hindi na reverse.
He's been very reliable.
Hindi siya nag-reverse.
Not wasting any chances. Really using his head. And he's going up for the alley-oop.
Tip.
A little under 2.5 minutes gone by here in the third. There's the screen. Thompson passes to Aguilar.
Wala, nailang.
It's miss number 2 and
Oh, may foul.
we've got a whistle. The ref
Sayang.
indicating it's a transition take foul. It's going to be a
Nulit ko sa mga di naintindihan. Comment nyo lang kung ano yung gusto nyo tanong about dito sa game. Isa-isay natin yan at sasagutan ko yan. At huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe and like and share. Kaya di ako nakapag-upload ng mga highlights sa NBA tsaka PBA. Naban ako na shadow ban ako. Kaya wala akong views. Kaya ito, try ko kung may views to. Okay lang.
He's covered by Thompson. Lee outside.
Ayan, sige. Git-gitin mo Abueva.
By Lee. Shot clock at 6.
Ang galing. Nice.
Go missing the go-ahead bucket. Lee's gone 3 of 9 shooting. Thompson outside.
Kasi nyo ba, yung takbo ng bola pag third quarter, parang mawawala na. Parang hindi na sila surbol. Parang mahigpit na depensa.
There's Rosario.
Kaparehas ng PBA talaga.
He's covered by Thompson.
Pero yung itsura talaga malayo. Pero
Little under 2.5 minutes off the clock.
okay naman. Sa galawan,
Drains it from beyond the arc.
sa shooting skills, sa dribble. Sa dribble, parang wala Hindi ko sila mapadapa dito.
Driving inside.
Try ko si si Abarientos kung mag end one read handling huli. Hop. Huli ka. Nice. Nice job, pet. Palitan nyo na yung import nyo. Abueva, asan ka? Dun sa 12 points. Yung makita.
Over to the left wing. Throws it up high.
Ay, ang galing. Ang galing naman. Ikaw, puro ka flex ng muscle eh.
Teammates Greg with a terrific feel for
Di ka nga man lang makalamang. Play tayo, play.
inside.
Uy, sayang.
He's covered by Thompson. And a lot
Uy, si Lee. Nice.
Well, he is desperately trying to get something going, but this has not been his night. They need to consider making an adjustment. Thompson surveying the floor. Over to the wing.
Binato na lang no?
5 on the clock. Here's Rosario.
Nice.
Off target from three-point range.
Ganda ng ikot, sayang.
Hasn't had the best,
Hindi nga lang naipasok ni Rosario.
but his teammates have had his back. Pass to Lee. For three.
Rebound.
Thompson right side.
Reverse. Binato, wala.
Layup. Thompson gone 1 of 4 so far.
Huli ka.
Out to Lee.
Uy, ang galing.
Buries it from three-point range.
Lamang na sila.
And not even 3/4 out of the way.
Play tayo dyan.
Many lead changes.
The fans, guys, are getting their money's worth. Heck, I should have paid to watch this one. It's been a nail biter.
A second chance effort. He takes
Galing naman nun.
it in. He's got 15.
Nice offensive rebound.
Fight harder on the glass.
Yeah, they need to
Ay, may foul.
to the deep.
Sayang.
Second chance points are backbreakers. Several teams
Yun, Anamisi, kuwang-kuwa oh.
Substitution on the court.
Abang kita. Oh, sangga lang. Oy, walang foul. Nice.
Six to shoot. To the wing on the left. There's Rosario.
Oy, sayang.
Lee pulls it down.
Ganda ng screen eh.
In this quarter offensively. Perhaps a little frustration setting in.
Oy, na naman.
Right on target.
Angas ng tondo.
Got 6 here in this quarter.
And every time you think
Nagiinit na siya.
something going, the other seems to respond.
Here's Holt, and it's denied.
Oy, sayang.
Here's Lee. He's got 12. All alone. Good on the bucket.
That's a high percentage look when the D doesn't fight over the screen.
Yeah, it's certainly worth it to disrupt the offense.
Lamang na siya. Apat. Papaya mo ba ako? Baliin mo. Baliin mo.
And guys, the D has to show
Yon.
fight
Ulit din ako.
than they did on that trip.
Parang naglalaro ng portal ah.
Now here's Lee. Launches,
Oy, ang galing naman ng screen nun.
but he's 5 for 9. Yeah, after
Gayahin kita. Isang beses lang.
the game, he's been productive
Isang beses lang.
here in the second half.
Ang beses lang.
To the left wing. From the
Yun. Yun. Gumana.
Both teams running perimeter
Alam ko di gagana eh.
that are working.
well, you know it's become a three-point
Uy! Na naman.
team shooting a steady diet from outside. Here's the lob to the hoop.
Uy, sayang.
3-on-3.
Ay!
That's how to make an impact with defense. Once
Meron
the
nun?
steal is made, you know they're going
Biglang
to
sumulpot yun ah.
So far, we've seen them be a bit careless with the ball.
Na-cheat ako ah.
out of control. Is how they played thus far. They're going to have to
Huli
really
oh.
and show some more discipline.
Na-cheat ako ng computer ah.
It's up a three. They get it again.
Aray! Isa pa.
No good.
Nice. Uy, ba't dyan?
Here's Holt.
Pinihit!
Up off the glass. Selfish basketball. That's what coaches love to see. Lee with the ball. He's got 12.
Yun? Uy! Huli ka. Wala. Nailang ka.
1:58 left in the third quarter.
Nailang ka. Oh, alis dyan. Japet Aguilar move.
For the tie. And it's
Oh, huli. Puta. Supal. Alis.
not on the same wavelength.
Alis ka, boy.
There's 1:38 left in the third. There's the pick. Lock at 6. For the three. That doesn't
Asa.
have a 12 on the night.
Asa ka.
Chance for them.
Isang minuto na lang para sa third quarter. At hatulan ko na to. Kung mananalo ba ako o hindi. Pinaliwa ni Barrientos. Panis.
He's got 10. Well, the defense wasn't really bothered by
Ang batang KBL.
still managed to.
KBL nga ba siya?
There's the triple.
Barrientos. Barrientos?
7 for 12 in the game.
Baroka pala.
Good work on the glass there. When it's all said and done,
Gamit.
might tell the story in this game.
Play tayo. Play.
Out left to the wing. For the lead.
Oy, bobo mo.
Doesn't go.
Bobo mo, go.
To end the quarter.
Oy!
And he dunks it down.
Fundamentals, guys, using the one-hand slam.
Really makes the
Sayang ah.
look pretty exceptional.
Sayang yun ah.
Out to the wing. The three.
For the league! Yeah! Labang pa ako.
Ball game.
Yeah, neither team able to create
Huli ka.
And we
Bye-bye.
third quarter
Lamang pa ako sa third quarter.
up by 1. And do not go away as we'll be back in just a few moments with the start of our fourth quarter coming up next. Here now at
Sinulit ko, malaking shoutout kay AD3 Lakers King.
definition
Para sa paggawa na ito.
there, guys. I mean, what great communication
Nga pala,
between them.
may iba't iba akong na-search na
parts of the game.
may PBA. Search nyo lang, PBA 2K, ganun, lalabas na yan.
That is
Hindi ko lang alam kung updated siya. Kasi ito lang ang nakikita ko updated eh.
10 quarters behind us. One more to go. Thanks for being with
Sa PBA.
the fourth. The high post shot. Miss number 7.
Nice rebound.
So made 7.
Maasahan ka rin pala eh. Kala ko hindi eh. Kala ko on the go ka lang eh. To the bench. Wow! Wow! Ang ganda naman nun. Uy, sa gitna, sa gitna. Alis dyan! Brawly kasi.
Tossing a pass to the interior. That's what you want to do. Get into the paint. He lobs up the alley-oop. That bring up the
Panis. Puto. Git-git sa ilalim oh. Tapos sinama sa ere. Tapos dak-dak. Panis ka boy. Tapos steal pa. Uy, na-steal. Sayang. Natin nalihog na lang pala ulit.
possessions into the fourth quarter, just over a minute
Ay.
throws down the alley-oop slam. And guys, here in the fourth quarter, still
Ay, pagsabayan ka ah.
Classic, fellas. This one could come
Malonzo.
down to the last shot.
fires away from way outside.
Malonzo, kailangan mo na maging
Well, you can tell he
beast mode.
had that one even harder on him when he's got a good look like that and it doesn't go down.
And there's the whistle. 3 seconds.
3 seconds ka. Mukha ni Macgi.
About a minute and a half through the fourth quarter now. Over to
Hindi makapag crossover.
just 5 on the clock. Brownlee got it off in time and beat
Uy, lamang pala siya. Akala ko ako yung lamang. Ay,
to finish the layup.
And coming down the stretch here, both
starters tayo.
still on fire.
Yeah, and hope
At
that your opponent
mahirap na.
is gonna go cold. That's not gonna happen. It doesn't look like in this one. This might go down to whoever has the last.
Naku, kabado ka Alonso.
Well, Greg, I'm sure their coach is very pleased with their offensive flow right now.
I mean, it's harder than it looks to get it going.
Huli ka.
Now they just have to
Uy, foul.
really the right play.
Uy, foul.
If you can't block, force them to the line.
Uy, foul. Ayun lang, bago ko i-challenge. Ang daya, you know. Pick up ko muna. Rewind ko muna kung may foul talaga. Wala eh, buddy. Sige, challenge call.
Might see it. And the coach's challenge
Challenge call.
on the personal
Kataya ko yan.
And this is the time now where the officials can review in closer detail what constitutes
Diba to?
the original
Si kabani team ko nina. Ayun o. Wala eh.
indeed. And the one
Ayun o.
replay
Oh.
is that when you
Tupal eh.
the slow-mo,
O, diba? Kaya yan.
you really get it.
Oh, successful.
Really is. And how
Ay,
hard
time out.
sometimes, Greg, to make the right call. And so the word is in.
Sayang.
Decided that the call stands as it was made on the floor.
Sayang.
Even if a coach
Foul talaga.
feels this wasn't the right call, you gotta acknowledge the effort being put in to reviewing it. The double checking and the game continues on.
Double check ko naman ah.
And the action gives us a chance now to send it over to David Aldridge.
Di bale.
Thanks, Kevin. Well, the head coach of the home team had some words for the team.
Iihawin natin ng
He said, let's lock in.
Magnolia para may pamulutan tayo, mga barangay.
Now his players looked engaged, so I think the message got across. Back to you guys.
Thank you, David.
Di kaya.
Fires from 18.
Bato. Binato na lang.
Quick he was to bite on the pump fake, left his feet clean.
Thompson parang high school dito eh, no? Yung nasa public. Puro cutting. Nasunog ka-cutting eh. Uli. Ah, ganda ng play ah. Sayang.
The contest
Di pumasok.
a full defense.
Ganda ng depensa ko kasi.
Great effort.
Bakit wala? Hindi ka tumalon, Brownlee. Uy, sa gilid.
From downtown,
Sayang.
makes that one fall. It's his 8th bucket in
Hala,
attempts.
Watch out now that he's got his first 3 of the half.
lumalayo na sila.
More in store.
And he gets
Oh, si Thompson nagiging
4 points now in the
nagiging bida sa fourth quarter.
Shot in the first half, but since the break,
Okay,
he's been putting it all together.
Thompson ang kakanay natin. Uy,
in the layup.
And how about the
punta.
determination
Hinugot.
post? I mean, essential qualities to have late in a close game.
On the wing, Thompson. To the paint. Sweet move.
Uy, wala.
Came in close. They set the screen. Craig
Patay.
there. 21 points in the game.
And certainly
Patay ako.
rotating, letting it fly from deep here.
Magic bunot tayo. Magic bunot.
Takes the three. Hands it
Yun.
down.
Kaya pa, kaya pa.
Really been one of the few
5.
for them trying to will this team to victory.
Here we go.
Uy, sayang yun.
Well, they expect this from him, and he's a big reason they're out in front right now.
6 minutes pa lang naman eh. Kaya pa yan. Biglang maging swerte si Baroka. Counted. Sayang.
Sends him to the line.
Personal foul, first team foul. At the line for your home team.
15 points.
2 shots.
First one falls for him.
Hold muna. Yan.
And so he hits both. Now Lee.
Uy,
2 free throws coming up and they call the shooting foul.
nana kayo ah. Nagdana na kayo ah.
No good on
Yan. Buti nga.
He hits the second from the line.
Anim.
To the left side wing. Down to 5 on the shot clock. Stripped away.
Uy, sayang.
It's stolen and they're running. Always going up for the alley.
Yun.
Emphatic alley-oop jam.
Parang binigay lang eh. Oh. Ang pangit ng pagkakabigay.
For the alley-oop slam.
Teammates Greg with the
Pogi.
steal for each other. From 12
Huli ka. Nailang.
off.
Okay. For the runners ng Ginebra. Ayan pa. Ayan pa. Ew. Di lumilipad eh, no? Talagang japet yung galawan eh, no? Bagay. Tanda na eh. Uy, sayang. Uy, dalawa na lang pala. Ganda ng bunot ko kay Pinto ah. Tagatakbo lang ah. Uy, sayang. Uy, wala. Nice.
Take every time down the floor, but even with the soft interior defense, they can't seem to convert it.
To
Pinto! Puta, wala. Malamig pa. Malamig pa sa sabaw ng baka. Galing naman nun, floater.
Great touch there. It's just so
Kala ko susugod siya.
out to the right wing.
Reverse! Nice! Ano yan, si Pinto?
Very crisply here.
Uy, sayang. Nako, 14 foul na ako. Sana lang. Penalty na ako. Oh. Gandang matchup to. Sangga lang, tsaka Rosario. Nice. Gulang na yung Barrientos ah. Oh, step back! Anis! Step back yun. Iwan si Poli. Ulitin natin. Ulitin natin. So, yan. Yan o. Yun o. Ang pangit pala. Pero iwan din. Patay. Penalty ako. Hoy, pasok na mga starting 5. Pasok na, pasok. Pero ayoko Missy. Di ano muna tayo. Barrientos. Ganda laban, dikitan. 105 to 104.
Pass to Thompson. Aguiar passes to Thompson. 5 to shoot. Tries it from 19.
Nice.
But it drops. 23 points.
Pick and roll yun eh. Ba't ko napindot?
Guys, and somebody has got to win this one.
Yeah, well, who knows? We might be
Ay, 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 ay. Sayang.
And that one goes in. 2 from the line that time.
and not a single free throw attempt in that first.
Lamang isa.
Far more active
Ang Magnolia.
and draw.
Brownlee, diskarte ka.
Takes a 3.
Barrientos.
That is off the mark.
Wala.
Shooting 60% on 6 of 10 shots. Lee outside. Down low.
Oh!
Fantastic lead pass
Ang ganda nun ah.
for the slam.
Gandang play nun ah.
That is ferocious.
You said it. That was ferocious. Thompson passes to Aguilar. Back to Thompson.
Oy, sayang. Malas na Nebra. Tay tayo dyan. Talo ako.
He's covered.
Abang-abang na lang ako. Huli ka.
No good on
Nice rebound. Takbo barangay. 2 minutes na lang.
1:53 left in the fourth.
Barrientos. Yeah. Nice.
Down the stretch that win you ball game.
He's covered by Thompson.
Ginebra. Uy puta.
Throws it down hard.
Ang nakatakas.
Going high to throw that one down.
Sky high. Fantastic one-hand jam.
Yun. Ay,
And a missed layup.
nice. Nice rebound.
Wanted that one to go.
Nice rebound.
Yeah, they really wanted that bucket to go. You can't get discouraged, though. Shot clock at 5.
Sa Brownlee na ang itlog sa tres. Okay, kala mo ah. Counted. Ganda na laban. Dikitan. Poging Rosario. Oh! Ba't ngayon pa? Kinabahan ka, Rosario. Pasok mo. Nice. Isa lamang, isa lamang. Huli ka. Nice. Nice tip. Brownlee. Kailangan kita, Brownlee. Uy! Sayang. Uy, may foul. Wala, talo. Talo ko ah. Buzzer beater. Buzzer beater to. Ang buwebang payat ng mukha eh. Ang tangos eh. Nice. Time out muna. Time out. Dalawa lang yan. Game. Play tayo. Nagalit na si Brownlee oh. Humble yan pero ginagalit niya ah.
23 seconds left in the fourth quarter of this one. Out to the right wing. Brownlee.
Nice Brownlee. Ang bangis mo talaga, Brownlee. Justin Brownlee yan. Nice play. Uy, mag-OT. Wag naman sana. Wag naman sana OT. Steal. Uy, foul. Patay. Talo. Gago. Sumundot lang ako eh. Ay, bobo. Buti na lang. Okay, pasok ba yan? Pasok mo yan. Sayang. Putik na yan. Nasundot? Ba't naman nasundot yun? Layo eh. Still yun eh. Play tayo. Uy, sayang. Puta, talo. Nasupal. Gago. Well, nice game. Salamat sa papanood. Salamat sa panonood ng Barangay Ginebra laban sa Magnolia Templados Hotshot. Merry Christmas sa inyo and advance Happy New Year. At huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, like, and share. Panggatas lang. Ulit. Salamat. Big shoutout kay Lakers King. AD3 Lakers King. Yeah. Bye-bye sa inyo.